Zentangle is a meditative art form that is a relaxing method of creating abstract art using structured patterns. It teaches and focuses on being mindful and present. Zentangle requires no artistic skills. Hello, I'm Sandhya, an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. In this channel, we talk about creating and practicing Zentangle, my own Zentangle inspired artworks and collectibles. So make sure you hit that like icon and and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any videos that I post every Tuesdays and Fridays. Welcome to yet another Zentangle mini project. Today's focus tangle in our Focus Flight series is called Fleavy by CZT Hanny Burgess. Fleavy is a beautiful organic tangle. It can be used as a border tangle. I'm going to use one other tangle along with Fleavy today to complete my Zentangle project. So go get your supplies. All we need is a white square tile, a pen, pencil and stub, and let's get started. Okay, so here we are with our supplies. Here's my white tile, my 01 micron, a pencil and my stub. So let's get started. We are going to start with our border. So start with my dots on 4 corners and join them freehand. Okay, so now my string is going to be something like this. I'm just going to make a wavy diagonal line like that. So that's going to be my string. So I'm going to start our tangle Fleavy right away. So I'm going to start on this line. So go ahead and trace your pencil line. Like that. Now I'm going to add 2 petals or leaves sticking out like that. So leave some space and start another set of leaves like that. Leave some space here and then again start another set of leaves. So just go ahead, keep adding. Okay, so now I'm going to make a line really close to this initial line of ours. So just skip every time you hit a leaf and just keep. So I'm going to repeat this on the other side as well. Okay, so I have my second set of petals done. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing again. So first we start with our line really close to the previous line, taking the shape of the previous line. So just go along with that. Okay, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side now. So now it's time to add the petals. So I'm adding the third set of petals, but on the third set of lines. So you can call them petals or leaves, I guess. It totally depends upon you, how you look at it. there. Okay, so now let's repeat the same thing again. I'm going to make another set of line on either side, and then we will add the petal. Okay, so I have made my fourth set of lines on either side. I'm going to make my fourth set of flowers on either side, or sorry, the petals on either side. Do you see how it creates this nice V shape? Really makes it look interesting. Okay, so I'm going to make one more set of lines. So we're going to go ahead like this. Okay, and just watch me how I'm skipping through the leaves and going right next to it, like that. And I'm going to repeat this on the other side. There. So now let's start adding our petals. There. Okay, so now that I'm done with my petals, let's move on to our next tangle. So the next tangle is called 5. So it goes like this, 5 of Eve. So I'm going to make dots, something like this. Okay, so just evenly space out and let's make dots. Okay, so now I'm going to make dots across like this, so around that same point. So it's going to be somewhere there. Now probably somewhere here, and you can't see those. So this is my grid with dots. Now I'm going to connect the dots with a pod like this. Okay, so I'm going to connect all the dots. I'm just pretending that my the pod was hiding somewhere there. So just go ahead and connect all your dots. So now I'm going to connect them vertically. Like this. So I'm just going to finish all of these connections, and okay. So here I have connected all my sections with the board like this. Now here's what we're going to do. So suppose say this is my tile, this goes this way. I am going to make diagonal paths like this. So in all of these squares or this shape, it's going to go diagonal in this direction only. Okay, since we started off this direction, I want you to kind of just continue with that in all of the spaces. So the next step is to add black, these little triangles that is formed. Like that. So I'm going to fill this entire section with these jet black at each of these little triangles. So these mini projects are for your personal use. It's for you to have fun, create them along with me. No part of this can be used for any kind of commercial purposes. So just be aware of that, and if you want to learn more about Zentangle, you can always contact your local certified Zentangle teacher. They'll be more than happy to help you. And if you want to learn from me, I will be more than happy to get you started. So you can always reach out to me. I always conduct regular online classes, or we can always schedule a private one-on-one class. My details are in the description. So send me an email and I'll get you started. Okay, so I'm done with the filling and this is how it looks. Now it's time to shade. So let's get to shading. Now I'm going to add my pencil right here along this. On both sides. So I'm going to use my stub to blend this out. Okay, so now for Fleavy, we'll put our pencils right here where all the flowers kind of meet, right? All the petals, pods kind of meet up. So yeah, like that. Now I'm also going to add my pencil right next to the Fleavy. So I'm just going to add my pencil right next to this. Okay, so I'm going to add my with my stub, I'm going to blend this. So this is right outside of Fleavy, so just right after that you're going to put your pencil and gently blend it out. Like that. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this on the other side as well. Okay, so I'm going to blend this out. Like that. So now added the pencil on either side of Fleavy. I'll just go back and blend this up. And there you go. So that's done with my Fleavy, and I like the way it's turned up. Okay, so I'm going to put my signature and call it done. So remember to share your works on our FB group UtubeBeez. Do join us there. So there is my signature and I'm done. Ta-da! Hope you had fun creating this project. I would love to see your creations, so hop on to our FB group UtubeBeez where all the after party fun happens. Check out all the creations by other tanglers and share your works there. And if you plan to share your works on social media, do tag me at Sandhya or #tangle with Sandhya. Now it's time to comment. Please comment below to let me know how you enjoyed this project. That helps me plan out my next set of videos. Now show me some love and hit that like button, share button and subscribe to the channel. In the description there is a link called a Tangle Organizer. So sign up to get updates of my upcoming classes and claim your free gift. So see you next on a Tuesday in my string safari video. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.